At the Zaan River, in the heart of the Zaan area, Royal Duyvis Wiener is located. Global supplier of complete processing lines for cocoa, chocolate and nuts industry, and world market leader of cocoa butter presses. A 2,000-metre squared technology centre is available, where customers can test new recipes. All possible process lines for cocoa, chocolate and nuts can be aligned. Quality is our trademark. Our welding department is at the base of every machine. With precision and passion, they ensure a solid base, exactly according to the machine drawing. This drawing has been discussed thoroughly with the customer. After approval of the customer, the project is taken in production in our factory, where several parts are customized, like for our cocoa butter press. These heavyweights find their way to the cocoa processing industry around the equator, where the cocoa plantations are located. The next step in the process is the assembling. Our craftsmen have the beautiful task to put all these tailor-made parts together in one production line for the cocoa, chocolate or nuts processing industry. When the line is ready and the factory acceptance test has been executed, the equipment leaves the factory to start their journey to their ultimate destination. Since its establishment in 1885, Royal Duyvis Wiener became a true royal pearl at the Zaan River. We gladly welcome you for a tour in our technology centre and factory in Koog aan de Zaan.